Hey guys, it's Trimatize. Welcome to my channel. So today I have this beautiful soft glam for you guys. If you want to see how I achieve this look, then definitely stay tuned. OMG, I missed you guys, and while I was away, let's just say we hit 150 subscribers. I am so happy and so grateful. Welcome to all my new subbies. Welcome to the Trim team. You are going to love it here. So I'm starting off by doing my brows, and usually I do my brows before I do my makeup. I did say that I was going to do a brow tutorial, but since I usually do my brows all the time, I figured it was not needed. But if you would like a brow tutorial specifically, let me know down in the comment section, because I am here to cater to you. And I don't know if it's just me, but personally, I love a good brow tutorial. That flick of the wrist, that concealer cleaner making that brow look so slick. Oh, that is so satisfying. Like, girl, get into it. Okay, so they may not be perfect, but I'm still going in to set them with my brow stylist from L'Oreal Paris. So now I'm going in to prime my lids with my e.l.f. concealer in the shade that I don't quite remember, but it will be listed down in the description box. Every single product that I will be using will be listed down in the description box. I'm going to be using only 3 shades from this Saharan palette by Juvias Place. This is my favorite eyeshadow palette because it is so versatile. But this eyeshadow look is so simple and so easy, guys. I'm just laying down my first transition color, blending it across the eye just to make sure it's evenly blended. And then going in with a deeper shade on the outer crease. And then making sure all the colors are perfectly blended together. This technique is very similar to my 3-step eyeshadow, which I do have a tutorial. So if you do want to see that one, you can click the link, the thingy above the screen. Yeah. So I'm going in back with my e.l.f. concealer just to create a proper base for my lid color. So by now, guys, if you've been following my tutorials, you know that I am blessed with hooded eyes. So I have to go a little above my natural crease in order for that eyeshadow to really show through. So now you see me go in with a beautiful pigment called White Gold by the company Jlaruecosmetics. Guys, this is so bomb. It's so beautiful. Let me just show you how gorgeous this pigment is. Look at how gorgeous that is. And trust me, the camera wasn't even doing it justice. honestly tried to even dim the lighting so you guys can see how beautiful this came through, but it still didn't do justice. But anyways, next I'm going in with my Epic ink liner just to create a subtle wing. I start with very light strokes. I create a very small liner and then extend it as I go, because honestly a wing liner can make or either break your look. So take your time with it. Take your time. To make sure it's to my liking, I just go under and clean up with a little bit of concealer just to create that sharp, straight wing. Mascara time. And then we put on some lashes, honey. So guys, how could we have started without our Japanese cherry blossom? It sets the aura in the room and it smells so damn good. Now it's time to moisturize and prime the skin. I ensure to smooth the primer into my T-zone area and around any smile or fine lines that I may have. Okay, so guys, by now you realize that I have gotten a little bit darker because my foundation no longer matches my face as perfectly as it did before. It matches my neck area, and that's not too bad, because if you have two-tone skin like myself, you would want to get a foundation that matches your neck, so everything just seems uniform and your foundation blends perfectly into your skin and your chin area going down to your chest. So to me, I kind of find that I went a little bit overboard with the concealer, but everything blended out okay, so I guess it's not too bad. So you see me now going with a wet sponge just to blend out the concealer and then follow up with my foundation brush so that everything seems blended and there are no harsh lines of the concealer. So now you see me going with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder just to lightly set all the areas that I highlighted. Next, I go in with this Milani face powder in the shade Warm to set the rest of my face and gently go over the areas with the setting powder to dust it off. I love this powder because it gives me a light, glowy finish and it's perfect for my skin shade. my contour palette, my sun. So now I'm going in with the next best thing from Black Radiance and using this shade to bring some color back to contour and snatch my cheekbones and the rest of my face and everything else. I swear to you guys, I love this kid, but he drives me crazy. But anyways, look at that side of my face compared to the other side. Look at the snatchness. Yes, honey. Make sure I get that little cute button nose that I love. And then go in and dab off any excess setting powder on my nose. So now I'm just cleaning up my contour just to ensure I get that more defined look on my face. And then going in with this Nicka K eyeliner for my bottom lids, and then you see me go in with the transition shades that I use on the top of my eyes just to buff out that liner. Now I'm just melting everything in and taking away any ashiness with my Mario Badescu facial spray. It's coming together, guys, very nicely, I promise you. Going in with my favorite lip balm at the moment from Cedrus Bay, just to moisturize my chapped lips. For blush, I'll be using these two shades from the eyeshadow palette, from the very versatile eyeshadow palette. And then going back into the Black Radiance contour kit to use this shade as a highlight. I wanted a very subtle glow, and this is actually the first time I'm using this highlighter, and I actually really liked how it came out. It wasn't too shiny, it wasn't too out there, it was very soft, and it really complemented the entire look. Last but not least, I'm going in with this bold liner from Nicka K just to line my lips, overline a little bit my lips. So I decided to go in with this pink shade lipstick, but I didn't really like how it came out, so I decided to switch it up with some concealer. Guys, if you have to do this, make sure you go in with a flat tapered shader brush just to make sure you blend out your lip liner and the concealer, just to create that effect, that ombre effect that a normal lipstick would give. Then I top that off with a beautiful lip gloss from Jlaruecosmetics. So I just did a little more extra, went in with this liner to create a few beauty marks on my nose bridge and near my lip area. I find it made it look a bit more sexy. Like, what do you think, guys? Let me know down in the comment section. So here we have it, a close-up to this beautiful look, guys. Let me know how I did. Let me know. So I went in to add a final touch. And guys, isn't that gorgeous? So guys, thank you so much for staying until the end of the video. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe and you follow me on Instagram at Trimatize. Stay tuned for more videos from me. See you in the next one. Mwah, mwah.